Good day, everyone. Has chemistry ever confused you? If the answer is yes, then today is for you. Today is not just another day. Today is my birthday. Guess what? The long-awaited material, I'm talking about the Gido approach to chemistry, which is the 1,000 plus possible chemistry examination question for WAEC and JAMB students, is currently available on seller. Go and grab your copy now. I've got a lot of past questions for WAEC and JAMB exam, and there's this thing that is common to most of them. They will give you some explanations that are not really too relevant. They will give you some things you might not even need for your exam, but they are part of the question. So what I decided to do, I decided to generate over 1,000 questions on chemistry, topic by topic, and the most important part of it is that the explanations were not too detailed, but it carries everything. Remember, JAMB is not talking about how well you know. He's talking about the speed and accuracy. And what you need is not everything. What you need is the most important part of it. And that material is giving you the most important part of chemistry that is needed for your WAEC exam. There are 3 things I genuinely wanted to do for me today being my birthday. Number 1, say a word of prayer, wish me well. Number 2, share this video to SS1 students, SS2 students, SS3 students, and those who will be writing WAEC and JAMB exam. Share the video to them. There are a lot of things they will learn from this video. And number 3, I know you know that already, subscribe to Gido Academy. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for being a support system. Thank you for being a fan. Thank you for being a lover. Thank you for everything you have been doing for the past 3 to 4 years. I'm sincerely grateful. I love you all, and I celebrate everything you do. Thank you. God bless you.
The first step to all of this, go to your Google browser, input the link, and then search for it. It's going to take you to the material itself, which is the 1,000 plus JAMB/WAEC question, possible examination question for chemistry. So that's part of the Gido approach to chemistry. Yeah, about the book is already here. Then this is where you can purchase the book. You click on buy now. If you want to buy more quantity, you add to it. If you want to buy just one, so you press checkout. Now, checkout, you can pay via transfer, or you can pay with card, or your OPay and whatever. If you want to pay via transfer, you have to click on this. Then the account number will load. Then you have to transfer to this account number within 6 minutes. So this is the account name. Or you can pay with your card. You click on pay with card. It's going to show your information. You have to fill in your name and your email address. Then you have to pay. You have to click on pay now. It's going to take you to different options in which you can use to pay. You can pay with Zap. You can pay with your ATM card. You can pay with transfer. You can pay with bank, which is going to the bank to pay itself. Then you can pay with USSD. Then you can pay with OPay. You can click on any of the payment options. Then your payment will go through. Once your payment is loaded or it has gone through, is confirmed, then you are going to have 100% access to the material anytime, any day, anywhere.